Hi guys, welcome to Yoga by Madi channel. This channel is aiming to help you master yoga poses without being a pro. Try this program for 2 weeks and enjoy the benefits. I can promise that your body is going to thank you. Pose number 1. Downward facing dog. Start this pose by beginning on your hands and knees. Align your wrist under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Stretch your elbows and relax your upper back. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly through your palms and knuckles. Exhale as you tuck your toes and lift your knees off the floor. Press the floor away from you as you lift through your pelvis. Make sure you engage your legs firmly during this pose. Let's start now. This pose relieves back muscle pain. It calms the mind, relieves stress, and energizes the body. It is great for back and legs, stretching, working as a therapy for high blood pressure, asthma and sciatica. You'll feel your legs pretty tired after this pose. Well done. Pose number 2. Full plank. Start this pose by beginning kneeling on all fours with hand directly under shoulders and toes on the mat. Tighten abdominals and engage your legs. Hold the entire body tight and breathe. Let's start now. This pose helps strengthen your core, arms, legs, tones your buttocks, builds abs and improves your mental focus. Hang in there. Well done. Pose number 3. The tree. The tree pose strengthens your legs and core, improve your balance and teach you how to breathe. Hold for 10 breaths, then switch sides. Start with your feet together, grab your right ankle and place your right foot on your inner thigh or inner lower calf and lift your arms to the sky. If you have weak lower back, try this pose against the wall. Let's start the clock. Great work! Let's switch now to the left leg. The clock starts now. Well done. Pose number 4, the extended triangle. Start by stepping your feet one length apart and reach your arms wide. Turn your foot out 90 degrees, rotate your hips towards the back and reach the right hand forward. Start bending down and put your right hand down on your ankle, shin, knee, or the floor while stretching your left hand to the sky. Keep a straight line from the right hand to the left. The clock starts now. This pose opens up your lungs, improves digestion, and helps relieve stress. It also works on the sides of the waist and straightens the legs. Don't forget to breathe. Well done. Now, let's repeat on the opposite side. The clock starts now. Well done. Pose number 5, Warrior 1. Take a big step back with your right foot. Place the foot flat on the mat. Roll your shoulders back and lift your chest. Lift your arms up, palm facing each other. The clock starts now. This pose not only does strengthen the core of the entire lower body, it also stretching your hips and thighs. Let's switch sides. The clock starts now. Well done. Pose number 6, the bridge. Lie on your back with your feet close to your hips. Lift your hips up and you can interlock your fingers or keep your hands next to your body with your palms flat on the floor. The clock starts now. This pose improves blood circulation and digestion, helps release stress, and opens the lungs and thyroid gland. Well done. Pose number 7, supine pigeon. Lying on your back, bend the knees to bring the feet to the floor. Cross the right ankle over the left thigh just above the knee. Find length in the back of the neck and breathe into any areas of tension. The clock starts now. The pigeon pose calms your mind, opens your hips, as well as stretches the groin. Well done. Let's switch now to the left leg. Well done. Pose number 8, legs straight up. Raise your legs upright while laying on your back. Engage your legs and flex your feet. The clock starts now. The legs up on the wall pose helps relieve tired legs and feet. Keep breathing. You're doing a great job. Well done. Pose number 9, supine knee to chest. Lie down on your back and pull both knees up to your chest. Clamp your hands around them. If it's possible for you, wrap your forearms around your shins. After a couple of breaths, we will start rolling the knees from inside out to reduce muscle tension and increase blood flow. The clock starts now. This pose helps with indigestion and bloating. Well done. Pose number 10. And welcome to our last pose, child's pose. Start from sitting on your knees on the mat, then lower your head to the floor with your hands reaching forward, or you can put them by your side. Relax. The clock starts now. The child's pose is a beginner yoga pose. This position stretches the thighs, hips, and ankles and helps relax the body and mind. Well done. Good job.